South Sudan 2025 to 2026 budget hearing took a dramatic turn when Dr. Lual Ashwek proposed a bold 300 South Sudanese pound billion, 300 billion South Sudanese pound youth investment scheme aimed at preventing rebellion through employment. Speaking during day 2 of the budget public hearing in Juba, the chairman of the subcommittee for finance and economic planning on microeconomic policy argued that the national budget must go beyond numbers. According to him, it should be treated as a social contract, a clear statement of the country priorities. But the question should be, is this proposal realistic? And what does it mean for South Sudan economy and political stability? Dr. Achwek directly linked unemployment to rebellion. His argument is simple but powerful. Idle youth become frustrated, and frustrated youth may turn to army group. He said that many young people are either unemployed or underemployment. According to him, if they are given meaningful economic opportunities, they will not be intimidated to march on Juba. This reflects a long-standing reality in South Sudan. Economic hardship and insecurity often go on and on. The proposed 300 billion South Sudanese pound would fund a youth empowerment scheme focused on production, agriculture, local manufacturing, and self-employment. For example, youth should grow tomatoes instead of importing tomatoes from Uganda. The statement highlights a deeper issue. South Sudan's heavily dependent on import. If implemented properly, this plan could reduce import, strengthen local production, create jobs, and improve food security. However, the key question remains, where will the 300 billion come from, and how will it be managed? Dr. Achwek also addressed inflation, arguing that in South Sudan, inflation is driven by exchange rate instability. He pointed out that the US dollar has effectively replaced the South Sudanese pound as a store of value. People do not trust the local currency anymore, and bank limit withdrawal discouraging saving. His claim that the youth program will not be inflationary is based on one idea: productivity. If youth produce more good, supply increase, we can reduce prices in the country. Economically, the argument has logic, but in practice, implementation challenges. Corruption, mismanagement, and weak institutions could undermine the intended impact. One of the most controversial part of his speech is his speech involved oil revenue. South Sudan oil sharing formula allocates 2% to producing state and 3% to local communities. Dr. Achwek accused some members of parliament in Juba of blocking this fund from reaching communities. If true, this is serious. Oil revenue transparency has long been a sensitive issue in South Sudan. He also questioned why Apenal has not paid local staff despite oil revenue allocation, asking directly what is happening there. This signals tension within parliament and possibly deeper political division over resource control. Dr. Achwek did not stop at employment and oil. He raised concern about environmental degradation, especially regarding the Nile. He proposed establishing an environment protection fund to manage climate aid, including $50 million reportedly provided by the United Nations. His warning about fund diversion suggests ongoing mistrust in how public monies is handled. If managed transparently, such a fund could address flooding, climate change, oil pollution, and agricultural damage. But again, accountability will determine success. So, here we have a revocable standing order for salaries. Perhaps the most radical proposal was the idea of an irrevocable standing order. This would require the central bank to directly pay salaries each month, bypassing delay from the Ministry of Finance. This is meant to solve chronic salary arrear, where civil servants go months without pay despite revenue collection. He even referenced adopting a model similar to the United States government shutdown system, meaning no spending without parliamentary approval. That would be a major institutional shift if implemented. Well, Dr. Achwek's proposals are bold. They target real problem: youth employment, currency instability, oil revenue mismanagement, environmental neglect, and salary delay. The core idea is clear: economic empowerment, equal national security. However, the success of this plan depends on three things: political will, transparency, and institutional reform. Without this, even 300 billion South Sudanese pound may not change much. The big question for South Sudan now is this: will Parliament turn this idea into policy, or will this remain another powerful speech in a country tired of unfulfilled promises? Well, here is my intake on this. And honestly, this is one of the boldest statements I have recent budget hearing. First of all, he is not wrong about one thing. Youth employment in South Sudan is security issues. When young people are idle, frustrated, and hungry, instability increase. That connection between economic rebellion, that is real. But here is my question: where has this thinking been for the last 10 years? Now, suddenly, we are talking about 300 billion South Sudanese pound. That is a very big number, bigger than a speech, bigger than promises. It requires serious system, transparency, and discipline. He said it will not cause inflation because youth will produce more. In theory, yes, production reduce price, but in practice, can people trust the management of such a huge fund? We have seen fund announced before. We have seen money allocated before, but implementation, that is where everything collapses. When you talk about oil revenue not reaching communities, if MPs are blocking 2% and 3% allocation, that's not just a financial issue. That is political sabotage. And when you propose an irrevocable standing order, so salaries are paid directly from the central bank, that is actually revolutionary. But again, will it be implemented? Because in South Sudan, proposals are strong, speeches are powerful, but systems are weak. My honest view is this: if this 300 billion South Sudanese pound is handled properly, it could reduce rebellion. If it is mismanaged, it could increase anger. This is a turning point proposal. The real test is not the speech, the real test is action. Biya kamal gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel ban right ke jowdana chalat wooden chirwach gwan melad jeno de yuti 300 South Sudanese billion US dollar de kalat kan ne ko la ngwene to question ngwan te tin ano adoba dien me de yuto de kalat ke je ka plan me mi chikana kula gode lade tin ni wal bana yugo gwatmene ka jen dola pay dul ka ronki ndaro nyandang re wudi de we ka ronki ndaro nyandang re bakkel ci rach ke ku budget ka ki yuten content kwa west da ika South Sudan and then chiram kel would di me chale Dr. Luala check jen che propose jala do ne de yuti 300 billion South Sudanese fund de kin base kamane de ka kamane ko da rebellion da re capture ko na talk reason dana ka ba chunga je wo kan ne ko na ngane kan te content te kore ngane rudi na kan content will core kan content kwa rebellion kwa je joint Gwan Rajatin and Dr. Luala Chwek ka kor nin dangro tetana dulka ka kui budget ka malat Canadian ka Juba Jen chairman of the SEF Committee for Finance and Economic Planning on Microeconomic Policy chala do nene jen national budget no go beyond number chabla netin kolat ka rodiene yo tekedi manyam gor kono den mandana talk and the way they get keje de kono ko yo muteketen la talk la ka use ke benefit medeni dia de benefit te jomo che jelat chelat gwase mena mi banyo ya kel ke jari podame Dr. Achwek jen charoy directly connected content laji tend yo te pindian ano nene ajana gor jen no young men de ka prioritize ano de ka mekelet ko right now ken telekalet telaram jeglat kake ajana kan 300 billion South Sudanese ponati de ka lat ka budget dungwane ko chingwane chikande lo ko kan ngwane chikande la maje lo wo kan goro bika jubu kana ka keri podana chalat gwasmene charo jelongo no en South Sudan tere ka gwasme ko kane ko la ngwane kan ka muke yo che propose no 300 billion South Sudanese pona ka kam ka ngwane da yuka South Sudan agenda na chalat nene gwalum je nyaw raja no nene kan nganti ga lede kan kalat Yalari no South Sudan ko defend ka Uganda gwalme la tomato sula wa no ngan winimi yalari no dungmang wane de ka focus ko de kan lat ka agriculture no de you de ka located gwalme de ga lat kan mana de kan lat de kan tomatoes ne de kan ka peas kana kwa koken ko chin de na de la we lo ba ya import no kwa ki ba ko no we de den de shwala ne kan gwalme den ka de ngwan de gu letan gwalme no lo de makarwa da job creation karwa de ajana me dere import de reduce dere capture no cha ko ga de le no gwara den anyok de local production ba de jaga jagwa de strengths local production no kan kokken content piet ka ki mi da nan piet de ka South Sudan dara gwalon kan itin content la de ga ngaji no ba kwak ba ka ko ki bi na bi kan kalat ki bi kan la de ka ko ma la be de lon gwa de me muku na defend ka country de ne mani ne de content wenamo ki na goro no bialet la charun ka la te ko kam nyonga gwa de mi ba mountain be we de den na mbo chala ro be full security be de improved an ko na ne sham be de le ka gwa ko bu na bi ka pian shang so na me mu chala de jen jen charwa ka kwi ta da na shunya ka je ala inflation Dr. Achwek chala ro ne na jen South Sudan min chu ka je tel miet ke tel kwamne ta da ti dialu ke je ga je ajana ta da na country te re kur ke te rerika ala instability ajana jen dob da na chunya ka je dien chune na tam and pound the US dollar che wen nyam long che te ka value mu di lanya ni South Sudanese spawn you know de mi cha foreign currency cha je jaga man yam la dundu la je under value la ja yere man gwa te ga ye ajana man yam Misha non US dollar long ke chawonyal before the currency do no more la yukun biga chu telot kene ko ken cha kabula nok no anyok gwado mene misha la ru en dollar gwana jena long ano changa manda ana la de kon chula ro ne ken yuten konti la yukun biga telot cha kabula nok a chan yu ko dor sha bu nok bad ba gor ne dollar ken gwado mo ko go no dollar karwade cha ko la ro ne shi community ki local community kan yutin ko la you can chicken gale la no kan ya gu no chika telot commissioner dia ga kwidian chela do ne ngane kane tan yam tan kon de South Sudan de kan jaga jagwa mi cha ka prioritize cha mu ka kwak cha mu ka yo chit ka ta dan de let ke je wa de kan South Sudan de kan saf ka jare ga dire to gane madian gwasa me ajo mu cha la de jen ne South Sudan oil sharing formula allocates gotten continue oil within manyam wa 2% ko oil no tila kam karar we ke state la 2% to producing states, alo de come state ka 2%, 3% to local communities. Local community 3% kajan oil sharing re yuka South Sudan. La neme oil revenue. But mi kono gui kona ti Dr. Achok jala re wonene. Tele be ti Dr. Achok che members of parliament, let ka parliament la MPs chaka gwan. Chaka accuse no she can fund a block. Kana tele oil revenue mu ka community. La piga kaka ka jemaken kana na me tuogo no lat ka jene to kona members of parliament ku kana dial ku kan fan ku kana block. We mean that tell transparency, tell pare majak South Sudan ko batere bat janya goro je lonka kui greater panel special panel state a jene to konti la local staff ne ka gwate wal shumena tema watele yuti cham kamke terel mi jekana jena panel as not pay local staff. A changeman, Chala do take a percentage Medicana Kayo oil revenue, Kayo lit. Tell me Jacana. Name teach me direct. Matijaka. Guadadan do nothing. A woman, Michelle Panal, she benefit in Conjega Jacona. So Name a movie connecting content shall fund charge block, utin content vehicle oil revenue. Dr. Rachokan Shonkarwa the Kaname, Jarach Katada de Funde Gangaja. No. Janana. Guru jeno de dial de kagang. Allah environmental protection. Aka quick climate ka. Chiko janana. Jana $50 million in kona chala the United Nations about come South Sudan. A gentleman de lat ka kwidian de nye jeja kapchong. The climate de jager la climate change. A janana bona de oil pollution. Rega dana jaga ka oil chairman chiko na in the state. Take a gat dap ka teacher deform a teacher ang jekten. A janata de alo de ka alaka kan you chop ke $50 million tin. Teacher ang na kumi United Nations ane. A jana nyokbo de kan yo invest ka agriculture damage. The agriculture de nyo umral ka jeka ka unity. Lada jekodi gore jen wo de ne ideal de ka benefit ka yutin kondilat ka rewi ka South Sudan. Amugwalong by the way. Micha ayo chagangun tene la wiya yere ka bigan ka cham den taram be benefitin. Seche wan mugwati jalat and Dr. Lual Achwek. Te ka mudi mu cha nyo mulat ke jen Dr. Lual ke Dr. Lual Achwek. Te ka micha lat gwasan micha ale revocable standing order. A revocable standing order. Ajana take a system de design ka kwisa la resuru kon yor ka pinga South Sudan la kam ke civil servant. System mo ajende je design ko ntama cha kan chi employee jana larno lat kume ke civil servant chicken salary chicken kajek. Ajana system mo de la let kabang. A revocable standing order mo ajende je design no nene. Every month miche paike ben bu yu bu karodian quit karodian bu karodian pay karodian. No. The central bank la dum South Sudan de kan mo de kan la let. So mi to pay ke benchang kwa na pay ke je. The bank automatically bane dia le baga pay. No. Atera mbi caption. Jen na me be corruption be caption. Ko bu yu kan chwa we karamandan en la gwan joni. Ta ga bla caption. Be kan bile be kan bypass. The no bali buni je wuna kala nyap le ko ta da na ci bang lar ke je no agenda karudian pay immediately there were an ka bang alo we mo ro you no na mo agenda la tek de 11 du salaries da ja caption ga ne dia le kan benefit na me agenda irrevocable standing order me agenda mi go am de la let ko lat ke je wi dia len ko ken tin wuje do den ko bu kume bikani dial bikan kare leka agent system alar ke jike United States government lakan are leka ano mut chichang an yam cheben bu yubu garodian tom garodian bu we karnetin dial kontin kwa pay ano as long as the jiram chi qualified ka quick payment ka bu bank bu pay automatically ateram mo millela question jo me amichalat so chana ben ka dob dan de kon lingaja rayna chi kon ngaje no chiwuda me charai ko UT 300 billion South Sudanese pound de ka kamwane amugwalong ay kondiale adite nyaona na ko run dangwal tikani makan plan michene me kanada leka ano bungane buga benefit ka kum South Sudan katin kona lat karudin ko kan mani ayor ga tong mi lo tele mutu keke thank to ke degree di mutuk tele jilat the only choice you have origin don't be we kan ko le ke ko whoever mdere contact ko be jim kalat ke jin bone don't be de be je should join bijena police ke bu ke SSPDF ke bu ke rebellion so the reality award South Sudan chi stable ki Dr. Lola chokela do wonene mi yor kon yu diarati e jeni changa ngwan ci ndelar no be ke jubbe kan okay so this system there or the girl so ngai kon la to kan South Sudan ngum nyina ka je nyina ka je ko wodi ko cha na cha ka per cha na cha ka per ke yo woni kan ka pokan ni ne konti la politician so report me jena na go de nya kon kel an ban je ka report den biate ga mal bye